Welcome to the second vlog of my UK summer road trip, where I visited 6 parks across 6 days throughout England. Today I'm at Paultons Park for my second ever visit. The last time I was here was Valgard's opening day, so I'm really excited to get back to see how the new land is settling in and to experience all of their other amazing attractions. And if you go on to enjoy this video, consider subscribing. Don't forget this vlog is part of a series from the rest of my road trip, where I explore some of England's best theme parks, so stick around if you'd like to see those. Now let's get into the beautiful Paultons Park. Welcome to the second day of the road trip. We are at Paultons Park today. It's my second visit, not first. Your both first visits here. Yes. It's such an amazing park. I love this place. It's just like the most immaculately done theme park in the UK. It's really good. We're heading straight to Valgard first to get on Drakon, probably for our first ride, but I'm very happy to be back. Welcome to Valgard, Realm of the Vikings. I'm so happy to be back in this themed area. It looks just as good as opening day, if not better, because the landscaping started to grow in. But oh, it's just fantastic. I'm so happy to be back. Oh, the theming's amazing. Look at these two taking photos. Just in awe of how amazing this themed area is. Drakon is currently having a delay, so I think we're going to go over to Raven, and hopefully by the time it's finished having its delay, it will be back up and running and we can get on. And then we'll swing there as well. There's just so many attractions in this area. It's so cool to be back. And then we're hopefully going to be in the feasting hall later as well, because when I was here on opening day, it was very, very busy, and the feasting hall queue was out the door, so hopefully it won't be too bad this time. Our first ride is going to be on Raven, because Drakon is just testing at the moment. Hopefully it shouldn't be too long until that opens, and then we can get on this park's signature new thrill coaster. Look, it's me! Let's go! Yay! So close to Drakon. Oh! Oh, you see the little track? Oh. Got all that water coaster track. We just went on Raven, and that was really fun. The air tables towards the end are really funny. You still prefer, which one's it called?
Yeah, I prefer Heiße Fahrt.
That one does look really funny, there's just loads of air tables.
Yeah. It's a bit more quicker than this one, but this is still very smooth and looks pretty.
Yeah, especially because of the interaction that it has with that Drakon, the Ghost Larry Eurofighter at this park, and we're going on that right now. Last time I went on it was opening day, so it'll be interesting to see if it's riding any different or about the same. On opening day I thought it was really smooth, it was a really good coaster, so excited to get back on. Here we go on Drakon. It says 25 minutes, but if it's only just at the top of the ramp there, don't think it'll be that long. Love this coaster. Oh, look at that view. It's one of my favourite views from a queue line. It's so cool. Such a beautiful coaster, especially in the sun. I mean, this whole area is just incredibly themed as well, like all the queue line and everything. And then obviously the views of the ride area and up to the station. It's so cool. Look up! The dragon! Here we go! Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Oh. That was so cool. I absolutely love Track-On. The whole themed experience around it is just fantastic. And I understand the, I don't know, outside seat shakiness a little bit now. I didn't get it on opening day, but for a Ghost Tower Eurofighter, it's still very smooth. I can't speak. Yeah, very, very impressed. Having a great day so far. We're just going to go around now and get all the other creds that we need, these two need to get for the first visit. I think that's probably going to be the last POV I record, just because I want to enjoy the day and not let my GoPro get in the way. But now we're going to go on Velociraptor, not Velocicoaster, Velociraptor. Velociraptor was really fun there. We're going to go on Dino Chase now. I think it's the smallest coaster here and one of the creds that I don't have, so pretty excited to get on this little coaster. It's a little zero ride. It looks really funny. I just love the entrance side as well. That's so nice. The cute dinosaur. That was really funny. There's one little twisted airtime hill towards the end where we just got absolutely yeeted every time. It was so funny. It's that one over there. This one, you just get like thrown at the end. It's so crazy. But we got the cred, and that's what matters. But it's a very nicely presented ride area. It's so pretty. It's really nice that one of the first coasters here as well is getting the new thematic treatment that the rest of the park's got. It's so cool. I love how this park has like a lovely landscaped, chilled out area in the middle. It's so lovely. You can come here and chill out in between all the rides. It's really nice. Got this walkway here with loads of owls on. They're painted for a charity event, I think. There's a few of them with like the different rides around the park as well. It's so cool. Oh, these are all really cute. Oh, it's lovely around this area of the park. There's Percy. They have a Japanese garden section as well. This area is so nice. Lovely place to chill out, come have a picnic. I think all parks need areas like this. Look at this, it's so pretty. We're on our way over to Tornado Springs now, but first we're going to stop at Ghostly Manor, which is I can't remember what it's called. It's like a Mack Dynamic Dark Ride. I don't know the exact model, but it's a really cool concept. It's like, well, I'm not going to spoil it. You should come and do it yourself, but it's a really cool ride, and I did really enjoy it last time. Beautifully landscaped, exactly the same as all the rest of the park. Let's go. Ghostly Manor is really fun there. I really like that ride. The practicals on it are just really good and the integration with the screens are awesome as well. But now we are on our way to Tornado Springs, which I still think is my favourite area in the park. Storm Chaser is excellent. Here we are, we've made our way into Tornado Springs and we're going for a ride now on Cyclonator. This is the park's awesome Mack family spinning coaster and I love this thing. And there are some pretty intense parts of it down here as well. It is no joke for a family coaster, this thing is crazy. And it also happens to be in probably my favourite themed area in the park. This area is just beautiful, I love it. I didn't notice that tune last time. Yeah, this themed area is fantastic. It's probably my favourite themed area in the park, to be honest. As amazing as Valgard is, this is just equally as insane. And I really want to get on the train ride later on as well, because I love a good train ride. Needs more inspiration for my train ride in Moorview Meadow. Here we go. If you want to see a POV of this, I recommend watching my vlog from the last time I was at this park, because I got POVs on pretty much everything. But today I'm not going to, because I just want to enjoy the park. enthusiast taking photos of this beautiful view. What a coaster, it's so cool. Great ride on there. Oh, Storm Chaser was amazing there. I love Tornado Springs. We're going to go for some lunch now, and we're going to come back later on to go on the train ride, because this was something I missed last time, and I absolutely love train rides. So hopefully get on this later on, get a nice tour of Tornado Springs. Going to go into the feasting hall now for a meal. I'm really excited for this. From what I've heard, it's basically Nando's, so it should be really good. A very impressive choice of food in here. There's like half chicken and box meals, wraps and side salads. There's so much to choose from. Loads of kids meals as well. I've just gone for this one with the hot peri-peri sauce. I'll let you know what it's like. Look at this dude. I did my little tour of the restaurant in the opening day vlog, but it's so cool. Big ship in the middle. It's a really cool restaurant. If you come outside, there's a nice seating area. You can see the actual water coaster track through there as well. Yeah, look at all that water coaster track. Look at this, looks amazing. So I got the chicken with the medium peri-peri sauce, Pepsi Cherry Max, bowl of rice. Really cool. I'll let you know what it's like after I've eaten it. Had some amazing food there at the feasting hall in Valgard. It was really good. It's sort of like Nando's of what I ordered. It's quite similar. Yeah, it was pretty nice. I'd say the chicken was okay. The chips were very, very good. The rice is great as well. But we are now going to continue our way into the Lost Kingdom. You see Velociraptor going around there to go on Pterodon Flyer, which we didn't get to do earlier. And then probably make our way either back into Valgard or back into Tornado Springs. Here we go, Flight the Pterosaur. Amazing ride on Pterodon Flyers there. We are going on the Rio Grande train. This is the train that takes you all around the Tornado Springs area, and I can't wait for this. I love a good train ride. Into Tornado Springs now. We're going to go on the coaster over there because these two don't have the credit for that, and then I think we're going to go for the coaster in Critter Creek to get that credit as well, and then probably some re-rides on Drakon later on. Going to go now onto the final coaster that we need, which is in this Critter Creek area. I've heard really interesting things about this. Apparently it's supposed to be about like different insects being combined, I guess, or like animals. It's like a mouse and a something. There's a tiger and a something. Yeah, it's a bit weird. It does feel a little bit outdated. I know that this seems a bit newer than the rest of it, but I think this probably will be the next area of existing area of the park to get an overhaul. There's a little bit of space next to Valgard for like a new sort of area, or if they wanted to expand Valgard. But we're going to go on a Caterpillar coaster now, which looks very strange. Well, getting that shot maybe a bit dizzy. We're going to go on to the lookout area that the Cars ride has now, just to have a look over the area. in a bit of an elevated position, but I love that, how it's got a tree in the middle there. It's so cool. Really nice themed car area. You get some great views of the rest of Tornado Springs and Storm Chaser here as well. That's a really nice cars ride. So many cars as well. And I love this bit with this tree in the middle. So cool. I just love parks that pay so much attention to nature like this. It's really nice. The whole area of Tornado Springs is just so pretty anyway. Paultons really pride themselves on the landscaping. It just looks amazing. And then obviously you have this incredible view of Storm Chaser. We're on our way to Drakon now for the final ride. And we found this viewing area for the log flume. Look how awesome this looks. So cool, all the animatronics and everything. The theming in this park is fantastic. I love it. It's time for our final ride of the day now on Drakon. I absolutely love this Ghost Lorry Eurofighter. It's fitting that we make the newest coaster here the last ride. It's the second day of our road trip complete. Paultons Park is done. We got every credit. How do you think the first visit?
Good. It's such a beautiful park.
Yeah.
It's so clean here. The staff is super nice.
Fire juggling.
Great ride collection. Drakon is awesome. I love Storm Chasers. Great park.
Yeah. Did you enjoy today?
Yeah, that's
First time visit?
very good.
Yeah, it's
First
an amazing
time,
park.
Very good.
Next vlog will be day 3 of our road trip over at Thorpe Park, which is tomorrow for us. Hopefully I've got a bit more energy by then. It's going to be very busy with a lot of school groups, but we are debating Fast Pass at the moment, so I will see you in that one.